This is the importance of having an estate bank account as the executor of an estate in San Diego. You have a fiduciary duty to keep your assets separate from that of the estate so that there is no commingling of these funds. One of the most important assets for the estate is all of the monetary assets attached. I'm Ashley Rivera of Probate and Trust Help. We help guide executors, administrators, and trustees through the sale of probate and trust properties. Okay, first, why is it important for you to have an estate bank account? It's important as the executor for you to have an estate bank account because, as I said before, it keeps your financial assets separate from that of the estate. It's also a great way for you to keep good records of any financial exchanges that take place regarding the estate. You'll use this account for purchases of things that you need for the estate, or for paying mortgages, or for paying debts. This account is going to be your financial line to getting other things taken care of when it comes to the estate. Another thing that's going to be important for this process is that it's going to simplify the financial management for you as the estate executor or administrator. What does that mean? Well, you won't have to try and decipher what money is going where because it's all being handled by one account. That account is going to have all your credits and debits, and you'll know where the money is being put or taken from or moved around to because it's all in one account. So how do you set up an estate bank account? The very first thing you're going to do is you're going to get an EIN number. This is a number that you will get from the IRS, and we actually have an entire video on that. You can click the link and that will take you there. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to gather all necessary documents. This includes your letters of administration and the death certificate for your loved one. You will take those items and your EIN number to the bank to then set up an estate bank account. You're going to want to choose a bank that offers services that are functional for you, and this could include things like online payment, especially if you live out of state, and ways for you to access the documents and information that you need on a website or an app. Just get something that seems functional for where you are at. When you schedule to go into the bank or you just drop in, they will help guide you through setting up the account, and then you should have an estate bank account ready to go so that you can handle all of the financial assets of the estate. Know that as the executor, you are responsible for handling all of the financial assets of the estate. So this means, like I said earlier, paying the mortgage, paying the water bill, paying the electric bill, and any other financial things that need to be handled. You may find that you have a lot of incoming and outgoing transactions into this account, and you are responsible for managing those and monitoring them and making sure that you are holding up your fiduciary duty to the financial assets of the estate. When you go to sell the probate or trust property, we always recommend that you have a real estate professional to help guide you through that process, like us. We help our clients to understand their responsibilities and their fiduciary duties, and we also help them manage all pieces of the sale of the property. This includes the preparation, marketing, and the negotiations with the buyers. Once the estate property has sold, the proceeds from that sale should then go into the estate bank account. This is again so that there is a clear separation of your financial assets from the assets of the estate. Do not immediately distribute those proceeds, as your attorney is going to want to guide you through the process to finalize probate. If you find that it is a trust, you need to also speak with your attorney, but you might be able to distribute those proceeds right away. We always recommend that when distributing assets and proceeds to the beneficiaries that you hold back a sum of that money, because there is going to be a supplemental tax bill that will be coming to you for any taxes that have not been paid by the estate, or for the difference between the sales price and the taxes that would be owed from the date of death of your loved one. Being an executor requires diligence and efficiency and fiduciary duty, so it's important for you to remember to keep the financial assets of the estate separate from your own. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. And if you have a question or a comment, put it in the box below. Thanks very much. Have a good day.